Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℕ𝕋𝕋 back again with another video. Today we are using the Makartt Ocean Couture nail decoration set. Y'all, I'm getting my words mixed up. If you wonder why this nail is like how it's looking, I was testing out a kit that is going to be in the next nail video, so make sure you guys definitely stay tuned for that one. So this kit from Makartt, oh my gosh, I freaking love it. It's basically like ocean themed glitters. It has like little hearts. They have gems that are like seashells. So the kit comes with a tweezing tool to pick up the gems. Super cute. Definitely was able to throw away the one that I had before because that one was just trash. So they come in all of these colors, y'all. This set was so freaking pretty. Like, I absolutely loved it. Definitely got to create some more looks with this. It also came with some dried flowers as well. And then it came with some butterflies. I already have a lot of butterflies. Actually, I have a set of butterflies like this where they had some different colors and I can't find them. So that's kind of good. So now I have these to definitely use. And then, like I said, they came with some big crystals, honey. They came with diamonds and like oval shapes, some hearts. And they're like the little multicolored. And then they also have the little flat circle gems, crystals as well. I also bought the Makartt rhinestone glue because I heard it is bomb.com. I actually used it and it did work pretty well. And then also with a free gift, they gave me the blue poly gel, which I have to try that out too. So first I'm just going to get into cleaning around the cuticle area. Just, you know, make sure if there's any dead skin, dead cuticles, anything like that, go ahead and get it buffered out. And I'm gonna let y'all ride out to that really quick because there's really no need for me to say anything if you've seen my videos before. And another disclaimer, I'll make sure, I think I didn't put it in the last nail video, but y'all know I am self-taught at this. It's just a new little venture that I'm getting into. So yeah. Oh, you know what? I'll just chit chat for a little bit. So, I also am doing a giveaway. As you all might know or might not know, I do have a nail venture that I am into, my little nail business, y'all. It is at ℂ𝕆𝕄𝕄𝔼 on Instagram and Facebook. I make custom press-on nails. And in this video, you have to wait to the end for the further instructions, but I am doing a giveaway. I'll go ahead and tell you what the giveaway will consist of. I'm doing a giveaway and I will be picking 3 winners to get a custom set. I think I'm just going to pick, you get to pick out of a couple of sets that I've already done, and I'll have those on the screen as well to let you all know which sets you can pick from. So yeah, so I'll send you out a sizing nails of whatever nails you choose, and then you'll send me back your sizes for your fingers, and then I'll go ahead and create your custom set. So it will be sets that I have already created, but you can kind of recreate it with, you know, different colors that you will want. So now I gave you a little spiel about the giveaway. You know, it's a little New Year giveaway, you know, a little something slight. So now I am prepping the nails with the primer and dehydrator. Go ahead to make sure that the nails do last on for a long time. Well, not for a long time. Well, yeah, for a long time, but it helps to ensure that the nails do in fact stay. This is definitely a step that you need to remember to do, as well as with the sanding and filing of the nails, natural nails as well. And yeah, we're just gonna get into that. Okay, I think I might stop talking now. Okay, yeah, I'll be back. Did this set as an épingle set, gel eggs épingle. I'm starting to get into that, and I think I am going to, which I posted it on my nail page. I am going to start that as a service, just to kind of dabble into getting into nails until I feel like I want to go ahead and go to getting certified and all of that. So with this set, I did want to use, of course, the Makartt Ocean Couture nail decoration kit. So basically, I just put, did I put top or base coat? I put base coat on the inside of the nail and then put in the little jewels, not the jewels, but the little glitters inside the nail. Kind of did like a little ombre effect with just various colors that she chose, and just kind of put those in there. Not too thick because I didn't want it to be bulky, and of course I wanted it to still adhere to her finger. So I did go ahead and cure that in first. So I put that nail after I put all the glitters in where I wanted them to be, and make sure everything was cleaned up. I cannot talk. Make sure that it was cleaned up, and then I cured it, and then I put base coat on top of that, and then put it on her finger and cured it, and it stayed on just well. Really, really love this set. It was so super cute. See, I'm just turning it around to make sure that, because from what it can look on the inside, it won't look the same on the outside, and what's on the outside is how, you know, it really matters. What really matters. I cannot talk. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so then I went in and did the next nail, and this is like showing you from the beginning how I did it. Went ahead and put in the base coat, then added in the glitter. Oh my gosh, those glitters were so freaking cute. Like, I can do some summery spring looks with that. I'm not really into like having certain colors for different seasons. I like whatever. I'll wear whatever. What Pop Smoke say? Well, we can't say what Pop Smoke said, but he said he was with whatever. But yes, I'm gonna let y'all ride out and just watch some more. All right, so now I'm going to attach the nails. Yeah, I think in the previous set I was just showing you all how I was doing those two decorative decorative nails, excuse me. And then I went ahead and polished the nails that were without the Makartt Ocean Couture. And now I am applying the jewels. I thought this little kit was so freaking cute, y'all. So freaking cute. I polished the nails with the 𝕊𝕆𝕋 glow in the dark nail polish. I'll put the link down in the description if you all want to get it, and also if you want to get the Makartt Ocean Couture. Remember, I am a Makartt ambassador. Use NaturalBeautyEb for 15% off of your purchase. My link is down in the description below. Make sure you guys check them out. Use my promo code, save you some monies. You know, we like to say some monies over here. You feel me? You feel me? So now I'm just going to go ahead and add in all of those decorations, the little decorative jewels to the nails. I thought those, like I said, those were just so freaking cute. And I love the little tweezing tool that it comes with. It's so convenient with picking up the little jewels and crystals to put on the nails. So yeah, that's it. I'm out of breath. I don't even know why I'm out of breath. I don't even know. If I knew, I would know. And if I don't even know what I'm trying to say, y'all. I don't even know what's going on. How has y'all's new year gone so far? It's only the second day into the new year, but what's your goals? What's your plans for the new year? Definitely let me know down in the comments so we can do a little chitter chat section. Y'all know how we do. We get there chitter chatting, period. So here are the final results, you guys. I thought these were so cute. So she did want them cut down, as you've seen in the clip before that. I think these are just so cute. They're giving cute, sporty, short set. And here's how they look glowing in the dark. Yep. All right, y'all, so here are the giveaway rules. Guys, you are welcome to join in as well. You can get it for your sister, your friend, or your girlfriend, whatever. But you must be following me at NaturalBeautyEb and my nail page at ℎ𝕋𝕋. I will be checking. Make sure you are a cousin to the channel. Of course, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on the giveaway results. And make sure you just leave a comment down below. Please make sure the comment has your Instagram name in it, because that's how I will be reaching out to you. Of course, you guys, thank you all for watching. I appreciate your love so much. This year 2021, we are getting monetized. That's on per. See y'all in the next video. You gotta feel me.